Health Minister L. Kumar inaugurates 3-day state-level seminar on yoga and naturopathy at Indian Medical Association's hold, Lumpville. Locals warn of burning down suspension bridge at Lilong Makaleka if the government does not repair the bridge at the earliest. Padma Shri awardee Subhadini alleges state government of partiality to the citizens based on their occupation. And a civil society organization in Moray drew attention to the government to withdraw its stand to give benefits of Port and Finance Commission fund to only tribal community. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News and I'm Premi Thangtam bringing you the top stories. Health Minister L. Kumar inaugurated a 3-day state-level seminar on yoga and naturopathy today. The seminar is jointly organized by Directorate of Ayush Lumpville Part, Central Council for Research in Yoga and Naturopathy and Ministry of Ayush at Medical Association's Hall, Lumpville. Speaking at the gathering as chief guest, Minister L. Kumar said Ayurvedic science is spreading speedily across the globe. Yoga, Ayurveda, homeopathic and Unani are known across the world. The minister said the Ayush can treat health problems, including mental health, without any side effects. He said, however, the treatment which is economical takes time than allopathy, which is expensive. Kumar said the two forms of medical sciences are complementary to each other. The minister appealed to the public to get medical treatment of their convenience. He assured that the pending recruitment process of 3 medical officers of Yoga and Unani by Manipur Public Service Commissioned MPC will be completed at the earliest. Kumar said the pending cases of recruitment of 3 medical officers and 11 homeopathic medical officer will also be soon settled. A yearly calendar was also released on the equation.
Tamuraga, Mang the Tapa, Mangi had you are just thinking about your white collar chocolate, but I did a show for you at the Mapina for the government, Sinakan, Wondering, for your lungs and mold and wondering.
Locals warned of burning down the suspension bridge at Lilong Makaleka, which has been deplorable condition, if the government and Public Works Department does not repair the bridge at the earliest or construct a new RCC bridge. Upon inspection, Impact News found that the wood boards on the suspension bridge are not only broken, but still on the bridge are also broken and some iron nails are missing. However, the locals are still using the bridge as it is an important passageway for the area. People of the area commuting the bridge intimated their disappointments to Impact News. Secretary of Citizen Development Organization Lilong Makaleka Wajuddin said the bridge above the Imphal River is an important way connecting Thoubal District and Imphal West District. He said the bridge, which was constructed in 1991, has not been repaired since then by PWD despite repeated requests by the locals, and as such the people are facing a lot of inconveniences because of the deteriorating condition of the bridge. He said there have been incidents when people fell down through the hole of the bridge. Wajuddin questioned if the government is trying to kill the people by remaining as a mere spectator. Wajuddin appealed to the government to fulfill the demand at the earliest.
Mafam Zelebasing, Samuru Ketil, the Karaga, a lifeline with Samro Ketilda, Hingbo Kambusing, the Pura Tatle, Karimu Pilatre, Adonatu Matamda, Masi Sarkane, Miding Jangaga, RCC Brism, Atu Matamda, Sarkani, Maikegi, Hadibatungasi, Miding Jangaga, RCC Brisama, Tangai Pedrama Famsida, Tambina Bonabiu, Natatagadi, Otung, might have Okini, Aduguma Famsida, Hina Langani, Aduga Manipur, Sikita, your international level, the Tangatani. Did the Asukimatic Noitre, this day the Sigi, Kano, Katanavatari, over my Amjaka or Kanda target over Yog, then a second, put her than Asukimatic City Kutung, Tinai, Aduga Chikitungi, the Maro in the Samaru Katinji, the Ayuchida, Asukimatic Manama Sing you, and Ramayam Zigi.
ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯂꯥꯟꯊꯣꯛ ꯂꯥꯟꯁꯤꯟ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯊꯣꯡꯅꯦꯕ
ꯀꯥꯔꯅ ꯃꯔꯤ ꯂꯩꯅꯔꯕ ꯑꯣꯊꯣꯔꯤꯇꯤꯅ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯌꯦꯡꯁꯤꯟꯗꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯐꯤꯕꯝꯁꯦ ꯑꯁꯨꯝ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯅꯣꯡꯃꯗꯤ ꯁꯣꯏꯗꯅ ꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯈꯨꯗꯣꯡꯊꯤꯕ ꯂꯥꯛꯀꯅꯤ ꯊꯣꯡꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯦꯡꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯔꯀꯦꯇꯤꯡꯗ ꯐꯥꯎꯅꯕ ꯉꯝꯃꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯅꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜ ꯍꯥꯏꯋꯦ ꯐꯥꯎꯅꯕ ꯉꯝꯃꯤꯕ ꯑꯝꯐꯥꯎ ꯐꯥꯎꯅ ꯉꯝꯗ꯭रे ꯊꯣꯟꯁꯤ ꯑꯊꯨꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯁꯦꯝꯖꯤꯟꯕꯤꯗꯨꯅ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯑꯋꯥꯕꯁꯤ ꯌꯦꯡꯕꯤꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯔꯤ ꯂꯩꯅꯕ ꯑꯣꯊꯣꯔꯤꯇꯤꯅ ꯁꯦꯝꯖꯤꯟꯕꯤꯌꯨ
Padma Shri awardee Langpok Lakpam Subadani asserted that it would have been appreciated of the state government if it recognizes the contribution of a civilian, like the central government honors the civilians with Civilian Award Padma Shri. The outstanding weaver who has been selected for Padma Shri Award 2018 alleged at the state government that it looks down on the weavers and impartial to the citizens of the state according to their occupation. It may be mentioned names of world boxing champion Mirabai Chanu and Subadani were announced for the award on the Republic Day by the centre. Speaking to media persons at her residence at Wangkai Tokpam Lekai, Subadani lamented that she would have been happy if the state government has at least felicitated her with a certificate on the next day of the announcement when the government felicitated Mirabai with 20 lakh cash prize. She appreciated Textile Commerce Industries Minister T.H. Biswajit for felicitating with her with 1 lakh cash prize. Subadani stated that the people of handloom products of Manipur will slowly degrade if the state government continues to look down on the weavers in the state. It may be mentioned that Subadani has also received many national and state awards including Saint Kabir Award earlier.
Certificate am tawarga su piraga samana no opiram lagadi aina haijaba singjaba aina award phangak puna maksi Manipur gi phisaroi se naw puna maksida aina haijaba puna maktu pung maka lamna nuai jana aina khangba puna mak harau nuai na takcharam godabdo yamna akoi gi asan mirai nai bagi phiba mama leibase sida aina
Meitei More Council, Meitei Muslim Council, More, Gorkha Samaj and Tamil Sangam drew the attention of the government withdrew its stand to give the benefits of the fund sanctioned for Autonomous District Council under the 14th Finance Commission to only the tribal community. Speaking to media persons at the office of Meitei Council More today, Secretary General of Meitei Council More and Inaucha said the centre sanctioned a total of 143.77 crore rupees for the term 2017-18 for 6 Autonomous District Council as per the census and area under 17th Finance Commission. He said that the organizations condemned the decision of the government to utilize the fund for just the tribal community only. Inaucha maintained More has 3 community constituencies. However, the rights of the non-tribals in these constituencies have been violated. He appealed to government to withdraw its decision considering the plights of the non-tribal communities.
Hairiba Paisasi Autonomous District Council Singzida Ladiba Praja Miyamgi Haibidi 2011 ki census ta population da yenga 90% area da yenga 10% sumaina thadagadaba senfam ni 14 Finance Commission gi Hariba Paisa Sida non tribal Tariba Praja Mayam Gisu Magi area jing Mahariba Pumping da Sangat Sagat Kadaba Mayam Dugi Ekoju Chaktung Pananda with the Makta Manipur Sakana Lori Boreto Hando.
Water Resource Department is engaged in repairing of the river banks of major rivers in Imphal city. Embankments of the Imphal River will also be constructed as a part of the works. The northern sides of the river banks in Hattagolapati and Minathong area are currently being repaired using heavy machineries. Repair works of the river banks in Brahmapur, Nahabam, Mahabali Bridge and Tombukthong have been completed. Speaking to Impact News on the phone, an official of Water Resource Department said that the department has completed repairing of 900 meters of Imphal River from Kairao to Iril River Juncture and 800 meters between the Imphal River and Kongbar River Junction. He said that the department targets to complete repair works of Imphal River banks in different places by March, covering at least 5 kilometers. Thanga MLA and Chairman of PDAT Robindro distributed 3 tin roof sheets each to every household within Moirang Kunau Gram Panchayat polling station B and C in Thanga Assembly constituency, Bishnupur district. The MLA utilized 11,20,000 rupees from the MLA Local Area Development Fund with the objective to felicitate every household and prevent water leakages during monsoon. MLA T. Robindra Singh stated that majority of the houses under Moirang Kunau Gram Panchayat polling station B and C are kacha houses made of bamboo, and hence the distribution was made prior to onset of monsoon season to meet the needs of the people. He asserted that many developmental works of the area are also in progress and affirmed that the distribution of the tin roofs will undoubtedly provide better housing conditions to the people.
Jik nungju thalak tagi mangoy na kagi waraba laraba ipraja sing se sa PME wa gi housing scheme sing ngai na marak chita ma kagi nungju nu chade khatang ngak thopong amna ba haidana ai laiba local development fund dagi lupa 11,20,000 aina ka thok chara kanda asi kona CIC khoi jinga se leira kanda ngasi mi 100 ka 2 muk beneficiaries se akona jinga bundle ahum sing asi kona yam chen thok chaban.
The road from Bashikong Road Junction leading to Irilbung and Kairao Bitra has deteriorated since the 2017 flood. Members of Bashikong Maira Nupi Welfare Association said that the water pipes have also started leaking due to the frequent commuting of heavy vehicles on the road. They appealed to the concerned authorities to look into the matter at the earliest before it becomes a havoc to the travelers and inhabitants of the area. Reformist Students Front Thaubal in a press release notified today that the front has newly been reformed. The newly appointed members of the front, namely Muhammad Ilyas Khan, Kundrapam Rushi Kumar and Maibam Sitaljit, will be the president, vice president and secretary respectively. A team of Don Bosco School DBS Chingmairong 1993 batch presented Thiam Nandalal, the creator of robot from discarded electronic items, to help him in his future endeavor. Thiam Nandalal, 17 years, son of T.H. Ishor Chan from Nambol, Balaram Khul, is class 11 student at Johnstone Higher Secondary School. Nandalal created a robot named John 17 without much electronic background. He has been conferred with the State and Regional Best Exhibit Award recently. The team of DVS 97 batch pitched in to donate a laptop to the talented youth as an encouragement and to motivate him in his future projects. The team handed over a laptop at his Nambol residence in presence of his mentor, Jechan Oinam. Speaking to Impact News, Nandalal shared the challenges he faced in the process of creating the robot.
Pot chiu khara ba thai ba aduga digi sei podi amuk salo rega amuk khoi yum dip khoba kan da amuk sidai koi lambi jam lambi jodi phatti ba de kat pada koi anam na betti ba am ada shekat pa du su mai digi shekat pa hai jona kaino so kuning na koi kut pai phat pa ne ba adu ju kusi tara ma tat khaju kadai no thi pung among chang ye ba adi ti kem khulai lai dri mina ta icham gi president na lupa lising yang khai bi na project ama tong ni ha gi pating pang bi te gi oja khara ju dum pi ba hem pang te gi ha di aduga nilit ki ma mo gi nilit ki institute dum lao sahi tara thok dum tong ni tam the free one.
The team also extended monetary help of 30,000 rupees to an ailing teacher of Don Bosco School, Chingmairong, who is undergoing treatment at RIMS Intensive Care Unit. The teacher, Shanta Shekaran, had cardiac arrest twice. Husband of the teacher, Gana Sekaran, who is also a teacher at the same school, appreciated the team for their assistance and stated that she is recovering. Sangai Band in a press release condoled the demise of eminent musicologist Laishram Birendra Kumar and observed 2 minutes silence in honor of the departed soul. It's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on the 5th Mimi Festival held in Manipur for the first time in Northeastern region. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back to the break and you're watching Primetime English News. Sangeet Natak Academy awardee Shilpika Bordolois Majuli mesmerized audience on the third day of the 5th National Mime Festival today. Majuli, under the direction of Brahmaputra Cultural Foundation's Shilpika Bordolois, is a contemporary mime play based on the island Majuli, which has been announced as the World Heritage Site. The play depicts the unique lifestyle of missing Deoris and Vaishnav communities inhabiting in the midst of the mighty Brahmaputra river. The elements of the costume, light, sound and musical instrument make the play a strong physical theatre, mesmerizing the audience. Speaking to Impact News, director Shilpika Bordolo expressed happiness at being able to be part of the festival held in Manipur for the first time and appreciated Sangeet Natak Academy, New Delhi and Kanglei Mime Theatre preparatory of organizing the festival. She said, even though Majuli is a unique island, it is undergoing rapid changes with the plans of several hydroelectric and infrastructure projects. Shilpika said she tried to reenact the unique relationship between the unique island and the people of the flora and fauna in the play. Subsequently, Mira, under the direction of Rainbow Societies, Siraj Ahmad, and 3 plays, Kualam, Chelam and Cheru, directed by Chakulai Cultural Club Mizoram's Dr. Zorom Dintara, were showcased on the 3rd day of the festival.
We were dancing about Majuli. Satriya was a little bit of classical, and then folk life was there, so which is why a bit of the folk life was there. And beyond that, in the narrative, you have seen that I have used organic movement to tell the story, so that's why we have those performances. And it's a physical theatre, because like my musicians, they come as co-actors, you know, they come and they interact with me. And in today's times, you know, like where people are sort of making infrastructures on our rivers and dams and hydroelectric power projects, I think we all need to speak about these stories of man-nature interactions, you know, which need to be celebrated, and that can create some sort of I don't know, like contribute a little bit towards the larger goal that we should protect our nature and we should protect our lives which are connected with nature.
Eminent artist and national awardee Professor T.H. Tombe inaugurated 9th Annual Art Exhibition 2017 today at Manipur State Art Gallery, Palace Compound. The 5-day exhibition was organized by Arts Society Manipur. Art Society Manipur Annual Art Award 2017 was awarded to Mainam Irikomba Maitei for his painting entitled Punshi, and A. Jandavi Devi Memorial Art Award 2017 was awarded to A. Kuber for his painting entitled Composition. 26 works in oil, acrylic, graphics, photography, sculpture and other medium of 20 artists were showcased on the opening day of the event. The 23rd commemoration program of the former president of BJP Manipur Pradesh, late Shahid Madhumangol Sharma, was observed at Kongtom, Thoubal district today. Floral tributes were offered to the portrait of the deceased at the event organized by Shahid Madhumangol Foundation District Committee, Thoubal. Executive member of Shahid Madhumangol Foundation, Imphal, T.H. Mangi praised the extraordinary life led by the deceased and lauded his works and contributions. Members of BJP Mandal of Thoubal district participated in the commemoration program. It may be mentioned that Madhumangol Sharma was shot dead by unidentified individuals on the 11th of February 1995. A discussion made to improve the condition of Kurai Popular High School and Konsam Thongam Popular Primary School was held at Kurai Popular High School ground, organized by Youth Organization Sporting Club Kurai Konsam Laikai today. Teachers of the two schools said that the teachers and students of the schools face a lot of inconveniences due to the non-repair of the school campuses and locals holding their private events during the school hours. Taking part in the event, Kurai MLA Elso Sindro said there is an apprehension that the schools will be shifted or will be joined to other schools due to the lack of students. He appealed to teachers clubs members of the locality and Maira Paibi members to help in increasing the number of students. The MLA assured of possible assistance from his side in filling up the lacking infrastructures of the two schools. On the other hand, people of the area appealed for MLA's support in constructing a mini gallery of Youth Organization Sporting Club and construction of drainage system on Imphal Ukrul Road. Retired Joint Director of the Social Welfare Department, Konsam Sana Jauba, Journal Education Officer, Imphal East, Zone 2, M. Prem Chandra and people of the area attended the discussion meet.
School da oza tara lere trawa lere satra na mari khak lere di akoi na phane am no hona na so school gi kano se dum handhar gani adu school book akoi mut khine ara akoi satra jing khara lehen bada ka le akoi club ki chil nau sina atai hona bi bai mohta ne 사트라싱제 खर यामना बोंत तौबियो नत्रगदि अखोई सिद लेरिबो ओजा अखोई कुइना सांग उनजरिबो ओजा सिंसि अमतो उबो फंगरोय लोइना मु मथक अतोप जगादा सात्र खर लेबो जगादा लोइ चटखरनेबो अदुना तंगाइ फदना सात्र मिनिमम 100 फौदी अखोई लेहनबा दरकार लै अदुना सात्रसिंजे लेकाइसिद लेरिबा अमसु अतै तैसिंगदा अखोई लाइक तंबा ngamjadaba sing thibiyo aduga dress leiba ngamdaba sing thibiyo अखोई पुथोकजगे लेजगे.
Health Minister Elgentu Kumar inspected Thanga Primary Health Center at Thanga Oinam today. He was accompanied by MLA T. Robindra of Thanga Assembly Constituency, MLA S. Bira of Kumbi Assembly Constituency. During the inspection, Gentu Kumar inspected the infrastructure of the health center and medical waste dumping areas of the said healthcare. He also inspected Thanga Ngaka Laima Thoibi ground to look the possibility of relocating the health center. Addressing media persons, Gentu Kumar ensured to initiate the building of Film City and Film School after consulting with Chief Minister N. Biren at a suitable area.
Akui Manipur ki chana bida doctors ki wada na tiga employees na posting pira bhawda akui ki chatning the bi adilo na akui ki doctor amathana moi rotation na ina doctor amani hekle hoba adigi omari amane alung leiba adigi amul lagba adu chanabi laiba jong tawri adu madu laiba singdo madu lerma targadi madu laiba yaro doctor masing sun layo nurse masing sun layo na habagi akan instruction irrigation director masa yawuni na mangon dusi bijare dilo na ko director sing da bijaraga koi mong ta na doctor masing ko piri bada ko leriba do adu mong tan lege do bani.
Ngangkam Sangita, a resident of Kurai Konsam Laikai, alleged that one Lashram Nilachandra from Pubala Makalaikai had taken a sum of Rs 16 lakh assuring a job in the Social Welfare Department. Speaking to media persons at Manipur Press Club, Sangita said that Nilachandra took the amount from 5 persons including her and her husband absconding since then. She further said that Nilachandra even threatened to kill her when she asked to give her back the money. Sangita urged authority to look into the matter.
Noi na manwi masengi mari se kaina haloi noi masengi ai cheng na hakani noi ki thabak tu ju appointment order to ek piba matam da ai paisa ju handok kan nang pri da ka hanni kain tong dana punsi da ju han ba thokpani ai di oi da pa da ba ju haijarakte punsi da aduga tawpham su khangde ikai ba su ikai banina kana da wa ka tabno khangda banina police da changjar pa matam da su karem ka thaina biraga achum ba du ku taraga khanga su मखोइना उपाय लेते खुपांग लबो थाबिगिते मतुगी पेनन दबदगी आई सिरगसु माबुदी पराम तंबिरगा आई सिजरगे हाइदन आइगी अरोइबो वकतने आइना लाक्सरिबसे अदगी मंगोंदे खर कन ngangoraga na moije na haron toroga kaptholage hai ko aseng bhai chi phone number ji saki oiba yate haba para nupi angang da mana karan toromba mane ekda nupi bi punsi bu sana porkum kholamba mayam do madugi para du su tambi.
RBD Indian Services, in collaboration with Saksham LPG Clinic, organized roadshow raising awareness on the benefits of Prime Minister Narendra Modi Ujjwala scheme and on how to use cooking gas economically was held at different places. The roadshow was held at Lamlong Bazar, Lamlai, Konung Mamang, Kongba Bazar, Lamlai in Imphal East. And in sports, a match of the ongoing Super League 2017-18 football tournament is underway between Mumbai City and Pune City today. The match commences at 5:30 this evening at Mumbai Football Arena, Mumbai. While in another I-League match, Delhi Dynamos will play against Chennai in FC at Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium, Delhi at 8 in the evening. In the match played yesterday, Jamshedpur beat Northeast United 1-0. In the match played at JRD Tata Sports Complex, Jamshedpur, the lone winning goal of the match was scored by one Wellington Priori in the 51st minute of the match. And before we end the bulletin, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Health Minister Elgentu Kumar inaugurates 3-day state-level seminar on yoga and naturopathy at Indian Medical Association's Hold, Manipur. Locals warned of burning down suspension bridge at Longmakalaikai if the government does not repair the bridge at the earliest. Padma Shri awardee Subhadani alleges state government of partiality to the citizens based on their occupation. And civil society organization in More draw attention of the government to withdraw its stand to give benefits of 14th Finance Commission fund to only tribal communities.